Hi guys, my name is Ashley Angonet S. Aban and my advisor is Miss Maylin Kabakaba and I'm grade 6 student and my section is Stephen Hawking. Did you know guys that eating vegetables and fruits every day is important to our health? Kasi ako, kinakain kong vegetable is kangkong, sitaw, and talong. Sa fruits, lahat naman tayo kumakain yan, but everyday eating fruits and vegetables is good for us because they provide essential vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables are high in fiber and boosting antioxidants. Eating fruits and vegetables can reduce the risk of developing heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Nowadays, we have to boost our immune system to fight sickness, especially COVID-19 and SARS-CoV-2 na hanggang ngayon ay patuloy na tumataas ang bilang ng mga infected. As of today, April 3, 2021, total cases of COVID-19 is 771,000 active cases, 604,000 total recoveries, and 13,320 number of deaths. Yan po ang kumpletong bilang ng COVID-19 here in the Philippines. But guys, once nalalaman natin na meron tayong kakilala or kalapit na street na positive sa COVID-19, wag naman po natin silang picturean, videoan, or post sa social media or pandirian just because they are infected of COVID-19. Guys, tao lang din sila. They have a feeling, so they are the victims. Hindi nila gusto na ma-infect. Let's just give a thumbs up, sign of encouragement na malalagpasan nila ang pagsubok sa buhay nila. Let's pray for them for their fast recovery. And one thing, meron akong nabasa sa isang social media platform na mas high risk ang mga LGBTQ+ na magkaroon ng COVID-19 due to sexual intercourse. Go! But in my opinion, hindi porket ikaw ay member ng LGBTQ+ ay matatamaan ka agad ng COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2. Lahat tayo ay pwedeng tamaan ng virus na ito. Even you are straight guy or lady, kids, or even baby. Lahat tayo pwedeng ma-infect na nakakamatay na sakit. Kailangan lang natin magdoble ingat sa ating mga sarili. So please stop discrimination, respect all gender sensitivity. Let us all help each other and pray to conquer this pandemic. God bless you all and thank you for watching.